After the U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates by an additional 75 basis points on Thursday, the market was in the red. Although Bitcoin saw mild decreases, top performers like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu saw losses. While Polygon and Uniswap advanced, Bitcoin remained above its most recent $20,000 support level. This video will discuss what the CEO of Shiba Inu indicated will occur in the next 48 hours. Today's Shiba Inu news. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. With the exception of a few stablecoins and alternative coins, most crypto tokens were trading downward on September 3. Dogecoin was the biggest loss, dropping 7%, and was followed by Shiba Inu, which fell 4%. But Polygon had a 6% plus increase. The market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies fell more than 1% on the previous day, trading slightly lower at $1.01 trillion. The entire trade volume, however, increased by roughly 40% to $102 billion. In the latter days of August, Shiba Inu exhibited notable bullish vigor. Following the bullish trading idea from the previous week, the SHIB price exhibits a few signs of trend continuance. To determine the next step, key thresholds have been established. The price of Shiba Inu shocked the cryptocurrency industry as the infamous meme coin appreciated by 55% in the last week of August. When SHIB traded around $0 and 1,090 cents last week, the bullish thesis said that a 20% rise would likely test the bearish liquidity levels at $0 and 1,350 cents. With a last-minute monthly high of $0 and 1,509 cents, the bulls amply confirmed the bullish trading hypothesis. Shiba Inu is now being auctioned off for $0 and 159 cents. Bears were hesitant to short the SHIB price when it exceeded day traders' expectations, which caused the price to drop to $8,000, $11.89. Since the newly discovered August high was established, SHIB has fallen by 21%. Volume increased throughout the uptrend, which also witnessed a break of the relative strength index's oversold region. In the current auction, the SHIB price is barely over the 8-day exponential moving average. This is the first time the moving average has been encountered since the bullish cross on August 27th, which sparked the further 30%. The RSI is still in the positive zone, indicating that the rise may continue. Taking into account these elements, the SHIB price may provide a challenge to recently created short positions close to the monthly high at $0 and 1,509 cents. The market value would rise by 30% in the event of a rally from the current price. The bears might invalidate the bullish argument by breaking through the $0 and 1,040 cents liquidity zone, which is below the moving average of the 21-day sample. A break of the low might lead to a further drop to 0.000970 USD. The invalidation scenario would result in a 17% drop in Shiba Inu's price. ShibaPlay_, a Twitter user, revealed statistics from Etherscan on significant Shiba Inu meme coin transactions over the previous 24 hours in a number of tweets. The biggest one carried at least $100 billion. The biggest one had coins valued $202 billion, 438 million, and 224,930. The unknown ownership transferred $847.9 billion K9 coins in total. Whale warning. Transferred for $202 billion, 438 million, and 224,930 SHIB. From these trades, a total of $100 billion was transferred to the OKX market for sale. The $850 billion SHIB noted before is comparable to $10,268,000. A few days before, Goxteen Media CEO and Bitcoin influencer David Goxteen said that he will continue to stock up on Shiba Inus. He intended to take around 2 million meme coins. No matter what the maximalists in both groups think of him for backing a competing currency, he reiterated his support for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shib has decreased by 15% over the last several days compared to its most recent local high of $0 and 1,415 cents. The price is fluctuating between $0 and $0.0001,203. The most recent information on the debut of Shibarium has been given by Shiba Inu Layer 2 Builders Unification. Unification said in June 2022 that the public beta testing of Shibarium may not be made public until the third quarter of 2022 or later. Shibarium was supposed to debut in the third quarter of 2022, but the Shiba Inu developers were unable to do so. This figure is unlikely to fall during the first quarter of 2022. As a result, the social media community actively pressed the team for information on the status of the Shibarium launch. Satoshi Kazama, the main Shiba Inu developer, said that he often receives inquiries on the distribution of Shibarium. Kazama's reaction was vague, just stating that it will be revealed shortly. The Unification Foundation is diligently trying to provide a product that is safe and compatible with eyesight. The Unification Foundation stated in a blog post that while the release date of this project is something we hear and consider frequently, it's far more crucial for us to collaborate with and support the team to produce the most secure, usable vision and related product. The official player's guide for Shiba Eternity was issued by Shiba Inu on November 3, 2022. The 1150-page manual was broken up into 4 parts. Satoshi Kazama apologized to the community for the one-day delay and dropped clues on the future beta launch of Shibarium during the release. In advance of the beta release, he said that Shibarium and the Shiba Eternity will both be promoted. Kazama also emphasized Shiba Eternity's most recent noteworthy successes, which included, among other things, the game's bug fixes and over 245,000 downloads for iOS and Android. He said that the game update will be made available later in the month. Shiba Eternity Lore NFT drop on OpenSea. A special NFT drop will be included in the game. The pricing for the artwork varied from 0 to 1,000 euros. In addition, the Unification Foundation has declared that its collaboration with the Shibarium Group would continue to be a top priority outside initiative for the year. The team also said that they will use all of their effort in order to successfully launch Shibarium. Unification highlighted some continuing work on the alpha version in advance of the public beta release. The internal alpha is still being optimized every day to be ready to meet the demands and the sheer size of the audience waiting for it, the Shibarium developers said in an instructive post-release. The core team has been working hard and quickly on our advice as a consequence, and a public beta release is imminent. The moment is quickly approaching, and we're eager to support, create, and provide a public update on the product. There is less than 1 week before the U.S. midterm elections. This year, 35 of the 100 Senate seats and all 435 House seats are up for election. The stock market often performs better after the midterm elections. Given that there is still a strong link between Bitcoin and the major stock indices, some investors anticipate that cryptocurrency will also increase in value after November 8th's election. According to a study by Charles Schwab, the stock market fared better in the 6 months after a midterm election for 17 of the 19 that have occurred since 1946. The months before Election Day are mostly unclear for investors, which is why. Maurizio Di Bartolomeo, Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder at Leiden, said that when information becomes more certain, investors gain confidence and bid up the market. If history is any indication, we simply need to get it through next Tuesday and things should start looking up. You're going to pass the midterms, said Timothy Holland, Chief Investment Officer of Orient Advisor Solutions, since seasonality is set to improve. Furthermore, according to Holland, you can expect a split government in Washington, D.C., and the market enjoys congestion. However, given that the stock market performance has already deviated dramatically from its historical averages, the S&P 500 is down 27% year to far, much worse than the index's typical performance in past midterm election years. This year may be different. I wouldn't be shocked if this is one of those years when the rally fades back, given where interest rates are at. De Bartolomeo reports that the Federal Reserve increased its benchmark interest rate on Wednesday by 0.75 percentage points to a range of 3.75 to 4%. Greatest level in 15 years. In contrast to how sensitive the markets were to the Federal Reserve's moves, to the key economic data indicators, or to any movements out of the Treasury, I think the markets will be less sensitive to any changes after the midterm elections. Joel Kruger, a market analyst at LMAX Group, said, "The date is over now. To see our most recent material, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel."